Alright, so we are up to question 3 of exercise 14H, and it is asking us to, without using a calculator, find the values of theta degrees between 0 degrees and 360 degrees for each of the following. So immediately when I see degrees, I get disappointed because I'm just so used to working in radians. But I know that 360 degrees is just going to be 2 pi, or just going right around my unit circle. And what I've been asked to find is cos of theta equals minus the square root of 3 over 2. So immediately when I see cos, I know that I'm dealing with the x-axis of my unit circle, and I need to find where on my x-axis I will have negative the square root of 3 over 2. I know this is my biggest value, so it's going to be in the negative direction. It's going to be over here. That might actually be a bit too far. Let me do it here. So this will be minus the square root of 3 over 2. And then I'm going to put in my dots. Oh, yeah, it will be here. That looks too high. And it will be here. This isn't to scale. Perfect. And then I'm going to draw in my lines. So it's going to be from here to here. And then again, from here to here. Perfect. So what I'm trying to find now is this value and then this value. Perfect. All right, so let's just stop and think about different angles at this point. So I know that if I go around to here, it's going to be 180 degrees. And I know this angle, this distance right here from here to here is 30 degrees. I know this is 30 degrees. So that means that this point here is 180 minus 30 degrees. So it's going to be 150 degrees. So this from here to here will be 150 degrees because I know that this is 30 degrees here. So I could go 180 minus 30 is 150. So that means that in terms of theta, my first answer will be 150 degrees. Now, for my second one, the logic is going to be much the same. I know that this is 180 degrees, and I know that from here to here is 30 degrees. So that means to find this point, from going from here to here, oh, that wasn't very good, going from here to here, is simply going to be 180 degrees plus 30 degrees, which will be 210 degrees. So my next answer will be 210 degrees. And because I only have to go once around my unit circle because it's 360 degrees, both of these will be my final answer. So theta will be 150 degrees or it will be 210 degrees in order to get minus the square root of 3 over 2 for cos of theta. Hopefully this was helpful to you.